Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel. So don't skip any step, because if you skip any step, so you can't be able to create your YouTube channel. So let's begin. Hello, I am Santosh Bohra. You are watching Bohra Sir channel. So for creating YouTube channel, at first you have to go to google.com. When you reach to google.com, this type of interface will appear on your desktop, and now you have to search for youtube.com. Okay, then this type of interface will appear on your desktop. So at first you can see here there is a www.youtube.com here. So you have to click this link. So let's click. Now when the YouTube opens, it will show like this on your desktop. Now let's begin to creating a YouTube channel. So at first you have to check on the right side. There is a button sign in. So you have to click on it. When you click on sign in button, then this will appear on your desktop. So if you have a Google account, so it will be easy to enter in YouTube, right? If you don't have a Google account, so I will give you the link on the I button where you can learn how to create Google account, right? So I have already an account, Gmail account, right? So I will click on it. Now I will enter my password here. So you have to do same process, right? So please watch each and every step. I will tell you each and every step how you have to create a YouTube channel, right? So now we are entered in YouTube channel. You can see here is S. So I enter, my name is Santosh Bohra, so that is why here you can see the S. So let's begin creating YouTube channel. So now you add, by clicking on this S, you can see here there is there is several menu. So at first you can see create a channel. So you have to click on it. So your creator journey begins. Get started. You have to now click on get started. Okay. So username or use a custom name. What type of name you want to use? You want to create a brand or what? Or you want to create your own YouTube channel, right? So it depends on you. Okay, I will create by my name only, Santosh Bohra. Then you have to click on the select. Now, nice work, your channel Santosh Bohra has been created. Upload a profile picture. So for uploading a profile picture, you have to click on this button. You can see your small camera. So click on it and search from your mobile or laptop, wherever you have your photos. So I am just adding my photo on this profile. Suppose this is my profile picture, right? I have uploaded. Now tell your viewers about your channel. So what are you interested in? Means what type of channel you want to create. So you have to mention it here. Hi here. Okay, I will mention it, so don't please watch here. Okay. Okay, so I have mentioned a little bit. Hi, I am Santosh Bohra. This is my first YouTube channel. I will regularly upload a single video weekly for your entertainment. So please subscribe my channel, like and share also. Okay. If you have any website link, you can give here my website or URL or social link, means your social link ID, and is Twitter and Instagram. Save and continue. Now you have to click on save and continue, right? After continuing that button, after clicking on that continue button, you can see here this type of interface will appear on your desktop or PC. So customize your channel, organize your channel page, and or update your channel banner and more. So got it, right? So this is your YouTube channel. It is already created. If you are now, when you will be ready with your YouTube video, so just click here. You can see here on the down there's a button upload video. You can click on here, or later it will appear here. Okay, so customize your channel. If you want to customize, if you want to change anything else on that, like you have to put your channel art, right, or profile picture, so you have to go by there. Okay, so you can see here YouTube Studio. This is a main and very necessary tool provided by the YouTube for us, right? From here you can do several things. So your YouTube channel is created. You have currently 0 subscriber, you don't have any views, you don't have any watch time. So please stay tuned. Rest of the thing, how to organize, how to do setting on this YouTube channel, I will teach you in the next lesson or in next video. So please subscribe my channel for the next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day. Please comment if you like this video, subscribe it. If you want to again watch this types of video, please press that bell icon on your monitor, and please like it and comment it, and please share it also. Bye bye.